Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, for today's video, I will be swatching Sooper Beaute's new lip rollies. So if you want to see, just keep on watching. And by the way, please do stay tuned at the end of this video because I will be having a giveaway. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscription button and also click the notification beside it so you'll be notified every time I post a video. So yes, let's get started. Alright, so inside this box is their new lip tints. So let's open it up. So thank you so much Sooper Beaute for sending these 10 shades, and I will be swatching everything just for you. I will be swatching on my lips and on my arms so you can see them. So the first one is in the shade Bebe. So let's try this on my lips. So the next shade is Bebe. Okay, so the next shade is called Pumpkin. Next shade is called Boo. So let's try it on. So we still have 5 more shades to swatch. Next, I will be choosing Baby Girl. Okay, so the next shade is called Sugar. Let's swatch it on my arm. Oh, ooh, look at that. So, malaki yung maititipid mo dito kasi, you know, just one little dab goes a long way. Okay, so we have 3 more shades to go, and I think it still fits my arm. The next shade is called Bubba. So let's see. Now this is a bit brown, so let's watch it here. A warm orangey tone to it, so let's see how it looks. We have 2 more to go. The next shade is called Carino. Let's swatch it here. Alright, so the last shade is called Dulzura. So it looks like this, and let's swatch it on my arm. Okay, so yun lahat ng mga shades ng Sooper Beaute. So, lahat sila ay matte at lahat sila nude ang tones. So, bagay siya sa kahit na anong damit. Very pigmented siya. Konting dab lang sa lips mo. Madami nang malalagay. So, very affordable din siya. You can go check their Instagram account. I will put their link on my description box. Now, let's go on to the mechanics of the giveaway. I will be giving 5 of the nude shades. So, you should like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, and also of course Sooper Beaute. So thank you so much, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!